In this episode, we're going to learn how to make a cute bookmark. Are you excited? Let's make it!
Spin, spin, spin the wheel! Yay, it's craft time! I love reading books. Can we make a fun bookmark?
To make this cute little bookmark, we need a square-shaped craft paper and color markers. Let's get started. Take your origami craft paper and fold it diagonally, edge to edge in this way. Now fold the paper diagonally, edge to edge, like this. Press it down firmly. Now fold the other diagonal, corner to corner, to make an X. Next, fold it in half to mark the center and create a plus. These are your guideline lines. Hold your paper where all the diagonal lines meet and fold it like this. Lay it flat like this. See the diamond shape?
Oh wow, I got my diamond shape right! What's next?
Now take the top layer and fold it over to meet the opposite edge. Time for 2 more diamonds. Use these sides, but don't tuck them behind. Fold each side like this to create 2 tiny diamonds on top. Once you have 2 small diamonds on each side, fold the bottom edge up to meet the top edge. Repeat the same on the other side. Now grab the right edge and tuck it in behind, where it meets the center of the diamond. Do the same on the other side. Tuck both sides in like this. Press it neatly. Now tuck the remaining corner at the back for a clean finish. Make sure both sides are folded properly. Check before moving ahead.
Yay! I got it right! It looks like a cute cat. Can we color it now?
Yes, you're right. 2, but it's not ready yet. Let's add the final touch. To make the cat's face, fold the top layer down into a small triangle and tuck it behind. Now let's bring our cat to life. Color the ears by drawing small triangles and filling them with pink, just like this. So cute, right? Now grab your marker and add the eyes, a tiny nose, and a sweet little smile. Don't forget the whiskers. Draw them nice and neat. Wow, your Cute Cat bookmark is ready. Time to use it! Grab a book and slip your cute bookmark onto the page. Ta-da! Your adorable bookmark is ready!
Whoa, that was super quick and fun! I'm going to make lots of colorful ones and use them to mark all my favorite pages. Yay!